Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Create an account with email or phone and a strong password. Then confirm your address via the verification email or SMS code. Complete identity verification, starting with basic KYC and moving to advanced KYC if you need higher limits. Many users finish KYC within 24 hours by uploading a passport or driver license plus a selfie. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app, so you must enter a 6-digit code on every login, and register a backup recovery method to avoid lockout. Link a bank card or use the P2P platform to deposit fiat like USD by bank transfer or card. Choose the method with the lowest fee for your region. Instant card deposits are convenient but typically carry fees and limits such as 5,000 per day, while bank transfers can be cheaper but slower. To deposit crypto, always select the correct coin and network, then copy the exact address. Sending via the wrong network or token often results in permanent loss of funds. Harden your account by setting a withdrawal whitelist, requiring email confirmations for withdrawals, and enabling device management so unknown logins are blocked. Use API keys for automated trading, creating keys with only the permissions needed, setting IP restrictions, and never storing your secret on shared systems. Understand daily withdrawal limits and the verification steps to change them. Basic accounts have modest limits, while completing advanced KYC and submitting utility proof raises limits beyond 0,000 per 24 hours and unlocks higher fiat features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.